Nenga mwana kyazula kana akantu.
Chapati. Na kayo parafine tari.
Bakuteremu.
Atkwabire bachipema mu kikopo etakufika ogira ngweki.
Tinyo omushija nko yajimpereza tanobi. Kandi mbya cyumushija wori.
Chabire cyashira.
Big your balance.
What now?
What we are going to do here, we are going to wrap our matooke in banana leaves, but first we have to kubogorende it, and this is how we do it. That one is done, then we shall do the next one, just like this. When you live on these things, your banana leaves tend to break, or they don't even fold easily or properly. That is why we remove these things. The stalk, I think so. We are going to use about 6 banana leaves for today because we shall be putting a lot of things on top of the matooke. So we are going to wrap our bananas, but in these sheaths. I think they are sheaths. So yeah, we put them on like this on our basket, crisscross, because we shall need to tie them. These here are 2 banana leaves, because after pressing them, when they are ready, we don't need to change the banana leaves. So that is why we are going to put 2 banana leaves at once. We are going to put our matooke properly. The more organized they are here, the easier they get to wrap. So we shall arrange our matooke. Just like that. Then we'll get just a small banana leaf and just put it on top here, so that when we press our matooke, it remains organized on the inside. That makes it easier to serve when you remove it from the saucepan. So now we are going to wrap it like that. Like that. like this, and then we shall bring our banana fibers like this. Hold on to them tightly, and then you shall just get like a small piece of this and use it like this, and you just find somewhere to fold it in, and there we have it. We have our, so we are going to cut off the excess here, but you also need to leave a part where you hold to pull out the matooke from the saucepan. So I'm going to cut from here. So in a similar way, like I wrapped the matooke, I'm going to wrap this cassava of ours because I want it to have that aroma from the banana leaf. So I'll place it here like this. I've told you that the more organized it is, the more it's easier it becomes for you to wrap it. So I'm just going to put it on here like this. But whites who didn't have bananas, why? How did they come up with these words? How? So you get just a piece of it, cut off the excess, just like this, because these we won't like need to lift them, so I just cut and left a sizable piece. So as you know, every African family has a saucepan for milk and matooke and beans. This is our matooke saucepan that we are using today.
Daphne, give me that saucepan. Shout her out.
Hi Daphne, thank you for giving us a matooke saucepan. So we didn't have a chikolokomba, the stock for matooke. As you saw earlier, our matooke didn't come on the stock. We are trying to improvise. These are called demizingonyo. They are from banana leaves. It's what we are using today. So you lay down them here because you do not want water to soak your matooke. You first put them down, line your saucepan with them, yeah. And then we do not encourage wastage in this house. This is banana leaf that is a bit dried out, but we are going to use it to add down because we do not want water to soak our matooke. We are going to put it down and somehow make it functional, just like that. Add your water because most of the time when you cover the matooke, it's likely that you'll forget. We've added almost half of the pan with another banana leaf. Get my matooke and just press my matooke in like that. I have a small banana fiber that I had cut off earlier, so I'm going to just put it on top. Next, I'm going to put my cassava that I already wrapped. Get another banana fiber because here inside here we have our meat in a box that is round. Because it needs as much heat, we are going to put it first. Then we are going to put our banana leaves, 2 of them. just like that. Don't forget to hold up because anytime your box can fall. Put our banana leaves just like that. Tuck them in. So our banana leaves are a bit small. That is a challenge you are facing. But what you do, you make a small tear up here. This will help it to extend a bit down, just like that. Turn the other side and do the same. Pull this one down a bit, the one we tore, and tuck it in. We still have our wrapped cassava that we are going to add on here, and also add another banana leaf. So this is a bit short, but we are going to tuck it in a bit, and I'll show you what you do when a banana leaf is short. We shall just try to tuck it in a bit, then I will show you what we do in such scenarios. This, then you wrap it around like that. And tuck in. Here is our food ready to get on the stove. The matooke has been on fire for over 2.5 hours, and now we are going to remove it, press it, and put it back on the fire so it can cool. We don't have a chigata, that's why our saucepan is down, but people from villages know what a chigata is. Usually it's for you to rest your saucepan on. They believed when you'd press the food without chigata, it would the saucepan would get spoiled. The food is really hot. This other basket, I'm going to rest the food there, and that's where I'm going to press it from. As you remember earlier, we had our box on top of the food that has our sauce, which is goat stew, but I'm going to show you that later. Let's first press the food. So most of the time you need to start pressing it from the side like this. So you keep it in one side so that it doesn't spill out. You press it for maybe 5 to 6 minutes anyway, depending on how much strength you have. As I told you, we are not going to change our banana leaves to put them in a fresh banana leaf. So that is why I put 2 banana leaves in the first place. Press it with all the energy you have, but just enough not to burst your bishani. Pressed. This is how our matooke looks like after pressing for about 4 minutes. But I'm going to press it a little bit more. Yeah, and then it will be ready to go back on the fire. This is our cassava that we had put on top of the matooke.